Alright, so welcome and thanks for tuning back in. I was just contacted out of the blue the other day, just to my personal email address. I must have purchased something from this company and it's shipped in as ESDDI store. I assume that might be an Amazon store or their actual company. I didn't get a lot of information, but this is what they call a softbox lighting kit. And it couldn't have come at a better time because I'm having trouble properly lighting my face in situations of low light, for instance, in the house. There's too much background light from the sun and it's kind of washing out, making everything dark that I try to film. So this couldn't come at a better time. Let's get this open and we're gonna, in post, I'm gonna speed the opening up so I'll stop talking. Alright, so check this out. It comes in a nice, what I'm just going to assume is a nylon style bag. Reminds me of a bag that like a canopy for outside might come in. Some more stuff here. Don't know what that is at this time. But everything's well packaged. Set this aside for now. Nice carry straps. Put that in there. And the instruction booklet. So this is what they'll look like. Alright. Let's open these. Alright, these will be the bulbs. Looks like just standard E27 style bulbs. And it seemed like they may have had more than one color. From what I read, just quickly. I don't know if this is CFL or if it's actual LED, but that's very much glass right there. So I'm going to assume these are compact fluorescent tubes. What is it? 85 watts, 5500 cat. Yeah, it just looks like one color. It's going to be a good color. It's going to be a white color. So we'll not lean toward amber at all. So let's set this aside. I won't open the other one for now. I'm interested to see what's in these other things. That out in a second. Let's see if I can turn this around. Oh yeah, this will be the reflector and the mount for the tripod area. So we're gonna have to back away and get a bigger, wider shot when it comes time to do that. Let's set one up. So we'll regroup, get a different angle. Alright, so for this part, let's extend the tripod. What you'll do, you're just going to screw this wing nut, pull on the legs slightly until they start to want to fold the top down, and then you can just push the top. Get this where you want it, get a good stable base on it. Tighten it down. You kind of have to snug this up, I've found, to make sure that this doesn't fall down when you're adjusting everything else. But showing you how fast everything is, unscrew this wing nut for length. There are stops to keep it from pulling out, which is really nice. But for the purpose of the video, so I don't get too tall, go ahead and get through it. Kind of tighten these down, give it a good check so it's not going to move on you when you're working. There's a little spline cap right here. You must unscrew the spline cap. So I don't know, it's some kind of thread protector. I guess you can put other things on there if you want. Let's see here. Okay, cool. At the center of the reflector, this kind of opens up, and it looks to me like you just push this down. Yeah. Just gently push this down, and that is going to push right there, snap. Really easy, really cool. I like that system. But right now we're just going to go ahead and get this installed. And let's see. I think I want to put it, yeah, I want to put it like this. And I'll tilt it down in a minute. So put it all the way down till it reaches the bottom of the flange, the kind of the flare on this aluminum piece. And just tighten the wing nut against the aluminum. I expect the steel in this wing nut to start scouring that aluminum over time. It definitely will, actually. So real easy. This kind of has clicks in here, so you're going to be able to adjust that really nice. Alright, let's check this out. Alright, so let's go ahead without the light. I want to see if I can install this easily. This will be what makes a soft light. Without it, you just have a light. You don't really have a soft box. So let's put this on. See how difficult this is going to be. First time, I'm doing this for the first time, everyone, just because I want to get an idea of what people will go through doing this. Let's see here. And it may be inside out. I don't know. It doesn't really matter. Alright, well, that couldn't be easier. So let's take it back off, put the light in it, and plug it in. Alright, so let's install the compact fluorescent bulb. CFL, I think is what they're referred to as. And I noticed this is it looks like a ceramic housing, so that's actually kind of nice. I wish this was LED, I'm not going to lie. When you get this, don't try to torque this bulb in here when you're trying to screw it in. I mean, that could be a disaster. If this falls over, it's also going to be a disaster. I don't notice it being top heavy, but I may adjust the base out to where it's a little bit wider. Give more stability. Other than that, you know, yeah, make sure you don't twist on this. It'll pass potential break. I made this statement earlier. I hope this is inside out or not, but it matters because there's Velcro here, here, and actually on all four sides. So make sure that you can get it where you put your Velcro on. It's a nice feature. So put those on and just kind of put your Velcro. Alright, let's get it somewhere where we can get this plugged in and see how much light it puts out. Alright, so wow, when I turn it on, I can see, my wife's filming with an iPhone, and I can see it just lit up everything around her. And I like this. It's really nice. The centralized CFL, I think that's right, but it's putting off obviously a brighter area than the whole thing. But as a whole, it is all glowing. And we're going to show you my face talking without it and with it to give you an idea of the difference. So let's do it. Alright, so we're going to do a test. And I'm pretty close to it. I'm about 3 feet from it. But this is how I would like to present something and present my face if I'm going to be doing something up close or you know, just something with my hands to show you. This is off, and I'll let her turn it on now. All right, wow, that's a huge difference. I notice everything behind the light. Obviously, I can tell that I'm getting a hit in the face with it, so it makes everything kind of behind it a little bit darker. But I hope that just kind of you can see usually people's eyes brighten up when they get their face with a nice soft white light like that. So it's really cool. It's going to be useful. And special thanks to ESDDI. I don't know what company that is. Maybe they'll send me a message. Maybe I'll email them and find out. But that may be the brand of the light or their actual store. So we'll get to the bottom of that. But for now, thanks to ESDDI for sending this to me. And it's a 2-pack for I want to say it's like $54 to $58. You get 2 of these for this money. So thanks for watching.